Good morning. Welcome back to the fourth lecture in the series Chemistry in the Age of AI, the Future of Drug Discovery and Design. I'm Shifana Sinu, and today we are going to dive into how machine learning is revolutionizing coordination chemistry in drug discovery. Specifically, we will look at how this powerful tool is optimizing metal based drugs, especially in the context of treating diseases like cancer and infections. To start, let's ask a quick look at the coordination chemistry. In simple terms, this field deals with metal ion forming complexes with the molecules known as ligands. These complexes are crucial in drug design because metals like platinum, copper, and iron have unique property that can be harnessed to treat diseases. Take cisplatin, for example, which is a platinum-based chemotherapy drug. It works by binding to DNA and preventing cancer cells from dividing. While this approach has been effective, designing new and improved metal-based drugs require careful optimization, a task that traditionally took a look of trial and error. Machine learning, which is helping researchers to do this more efficiently and accurately. Machine learning, in essence, is the ability of a computer to learn from data and make prediction or decision based on that data. In the case of coordination chemistry, machine learning can analyze vast amounts of data on how metal ions interact with ligands. This allows researchers to predict which combinations will form the most stable and effective complexes. By training machine learning algorithms on known data, we can now foresee how a metal ligand complex will behave, its stability, reactivity, and even its potential effectiveness as a drug. One of the key ways machine learning helps is by predicting ligand binding. By understanding the characteristics of the metal ion, machine learning models can forecast which ligands are most likely to bind to it. This helps design more stable complexes and ensure that the drug can target the right biological structures. Furthermore, machine learning is also able to optimize the geometry of these complexes, predicting the best arrangement of ligands around the metal to enhance their effectiveness. This optimization is critical in ensuring that the drug can interact with the desired biological targets, such as DNA or protein involved in disease process. Now let's talk about how machine learning is helping us tackle diseases like cancer and infections. In cancer treatments, for example, machine learning is accelerating the development of more targeted therapies. While platinum-based drugs like cisplatin have been successful, they come with significant side effects because they also affect healthy cells. Machine learning can help design metal complexes that are more selective, binding more effectively to cancer cells while leaving healthy cells unharmed. Machine learning can also help overcome the problem of drug resistance, which is common in cancer treatments. By analyzing how cancer cells evolve resistance to certain drugs, machine learning can suggest ways to modify metal-based compounds, making them more effective against resistant cell lines. When it comes to infection treatment, particularly antibiotic resistant bacteria, machine learning plays a vital role in developing new drugs. Machine learning can help identify metal complexes that can disrupt bacterial cell walls or interfere with the essential bacterial enzyme, providing an alternative to traditional antibiotics. The ability to predict how a metal complex will interact with bacteria allows researchers to design drugs that can bypass bacterial defense mechanisms, offering new hope in the fight against resistant infections. What is even more exciting is the potential of machine learning to optimize drug delivery. Once a metal-based drug is designed, it has to be delivered to the right location in the body to be effective. Machine learning can help predict how this drug will behave in different biological environments, suggesting modifications that can improve stability and bioavailability. This means drugs can be more effective at lower doses, reducing side effects and improving patients' outcomes. While the advances we are seeing are impressive, there are still challenges to overcome. For one, the quality of the data used to train machine learning models is crucial. If the data is not comprehensive or diverse enough, the predictions won't be accurate. Additionally, while ML machine learning can predict how metal complexes will interact with the biological systems, we still need to test these predictions in real-world settings such as clinical trials to ensure safety and efficacy. Looking ahead, the future of machine learning in coordination chemistry is incredibly exciting. We are on the edge of designing personalized therapies, where machine learning can help create drug and compound tailored to an individual's specific disease profile. With these advancements, we can see treatments that are faster, more effective, and much more precise. In our next lecture, we will explore the biological interaction of these metal-based drugs and how AI and machine learning are helping us understand these complex mechanisms better. Thank you for joining today's lecture, and I hope you are as excited as I am about the future of drug discovery powered by machine learning. Thank you.